Okay, so we have this question right here. It says the planet Mercury orbits the Sun in an elliptical order. As a result, the speed of the Mercury varies as it orbits the Sun, which row of the table shows how the speed and gravitational potential energy of Mercury change as the Mercury approaches the Sun. So this means that our radius or our distance is decreasing. Okay, so I have wrote two formulas, right? And these two formulas will help you find the gravitational potential energy, whether it increases or decreases, and speed, whether it increases or decreases. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the formula, right? This is for gravitational potential energy, right? So if your R decreases, then your U decreases as well, because you have a negative sign, right? So if your R is decreasing, then your value is actually increasing in a negative way, okay? Negative format, okay? So your U is decreasing more. So option C and D is incorrect. Now you're left with option A and B. For speed, I use two formulas. One is this one, which is the gravitational force formula, and one is the centripetal force formula. Why centripetal force formula? Because it is it is in the orbit, right? The planet Mercury orbits the Sun in an elliptical orbit, right? So that's why I use centripetal force formula. And if you combine them and make your V as subject, then you can know that if you decrease the radius, then your V will increase, right? So option A is incorrect. So you're left with option number B. So your option number B is your final answer.